Tinamaan na ako, walang iyak at kupido. Nasirang schedule ko, putris na kabaliwang ito. Tinamaan na ako, walang iyak at kupido. Nasirang schedule ko, putris na kabaliwang ito.
Kung ano po ito, siya po talagang original na Birit Queen. Kasi,
Wow!
ano yan?
Hindi naman, pabirit ko yun. But okay, are you ready?
Ready po?
Are you ready?
Enjoy lang natin to, okay?
Enjoy lang tayo! Sabayin niyo po kami kung gusto niyo.
Yeah.
We're giving you another great reason to smile because we're featuring the third part of our exclusive coverage of Anne's special shows in the Golden State of California.
I did a concert yet in the States maybe like 3 years ago. So medyo matagal.
Yung unleashed ko sa ba?
Ang kapal.
Gusto mo yung confidence niya pag sabi niya na
Ang kapal. Sabi ko nga, pag third concert ko na, di ba? Ambisyosa, ang kapal. Yung third, pinaplano ko, ang kulit.
Why not?
Ang kulit. Pag bumalik po ako, parang sa ganun, note din po kayo. Kukulitin ko kayo.
Ang kulit. Ano?
Ang kulit, kasi ang kulit ko, lagi ko gusto kumanta, saya ng tao.
Oo nga.
Diba?
Kung may susunod pa sa ang kulit, ano pa? Ang kulit-kulit.
Ha? Ang kulit-kulit na talaga. Ano pa ba pwede?
Ang tagal.
Ang galing.
Ang galing.
Kasi siguro, ang galing na talaga ko noon. Ang ganda na ng boses ko. Nakahasa na siya eh.
Pwede.
No, kasi first time kong kantahin yung Closer. Si Anne yata, di ko alam kung nakanta na niya, pero siya rin, parang first time din niyang parang kinakapa rin niya yung song.
And of course, now we're on to our last song.
Oh.
Aww.
So kanina alone.
It's time to party with
Yeah.
all of you guys. So we hope you like this song, and let's do this!
Let's do this.
Thank you so much for coming!
Hey, I was doing just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay.
Okay.
Entertainers, their job is to make the people happy and, to leave the venue happy, like get their money's worth,
So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Buy that tattoo on your shoulder, pull the sheets right on the... Too much Chinese na. We ain't ever getting over. Woo! Come on,
Let's go!
let's go.
So, sa first night, yun yung parang na-feel namin na hindi yata to tama for finale. Kaya bumaba na lang kami and na-stuck kami dun sa audience na lang hanggang sa nag-ending. Kasi nga parang gusto namin, hindi naman nakatulala na yung tao sa ending kasi parang hindi nila alam ko ano yung song na kinakanta namin.
Our concert sweetheart was super happy with the outcome of the first show kasi it was absolutely sold out. Cash Creek Resorts and Casino was jam-packed with an appreciative crowd.
Maganda, sexy. She got the package already. You're just gonna polish it, you know? Yeah, you get, I know she can do it.
Thank you so much, Ashley! Thank you!
Ang galing!
Thank you.
Tawag ako si Jason.
We ain't never get on. We ain't never get on.
Hi! Alright. Bye-bye po, Madlang Cash Creek!
Bye-bye. Uy,
Thank
ano pa si
you!
Ann? Thank you po.
Alright guys, kakatapos lang namin ni Ann sa show dito sa Cash Creek and sobrang enjoy kami at ang audience and sobrang happy kami dahil nag-enjoy sila. Yun naman yung importante. And ngayon, dito kakatapos na ng meet and greet namin ni Ann and sobrang happy kami. Bukas, meron pa kami isang show para to finish the leg and excited kami for tomorrow.
The first show was a huge success. Of course, umuwing masaya ang mga tao.
Wala ng boses mo. Sabi, gano'n na.
Nag-enjoy naman
Oo. Na-enjoy lahat ng tao, yun ang importante.
Oo.
We just had our concert actually, and it was a sold-out concert for Saturday with Mark Bautista, and it was so much fun. A lot of singing and laughing, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the show today. Enjoy!
We're back. You're still watching Ambisyosa. It was a back-to-back show for our national sweetheart and pop heartthrob Mark Bautista. Of course, they had to rehearse again before the second show para mas pasayahin palalo ang mga tag-California.
Sa second day naman, hindi na masyado si Ann. Kinanta lang namin yung finale kasi bagong song. And ako pinakinggan ko lang din yung mga bagong songs. And then, hindi ko na rin tinapos yung rehearsals.
For the second day ng concert ni Ann, yung look ni Ann was yung usual niya na kulot na ginawa ni Raymond. So, medyo wavy ng konti. Tapos, medyo, yung makeup na ginawa niya is yung nude na lipstick, tsaka yung basic na brown eyeshadow na favorite ni Ann. Ayun, sobrang ang ganda ng suot niya ng opening, parang very sequin na crystals, tsaka light crystals na black.
Hi, Nalay One family in Manansala. I just wanted to say hello and what's up?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Crossing my fingers to have it sold out again tonight.
Hey guys, in a few minutes mag-start na po ang aming show and excited na kami kasi ito na rin yung aming last show dito sa Cash Creek and si Ann ay busy na rin sa paghanda sa loob and pasok na rin ako. I'll see you guys.
And then Sunday namin, almost 90%, which is a very good numbers for 2 days. And the fact na may kasabay kami mga concert.
Ladies and gentlemen, Philippine Concerts Sweetheart, ang Diyosa, Miss Ann Curtis.
To give more surprise to her awaiting crowd, syempre, Ann made sure that her golden voice was ready for another round of high-pitched songs. At sinamahan niya pa ito ng pasabog na opening outfit.
Hindi ako magaling kumanta. Pero I love to sing. Kaya huwag kayo mag-expect ng Regine, or ng Sarah, or ng ano. Ann Curtis po ito. Handa na ba kayo for a night of fun? Alright! Let's do this! Music, please!
sobrang natuwa kami kasi siya, love na love niya yung look niya. So, si Ann kasi kilala ko pagka love niya yung look niya, talagang bigay todo siya. As in, give na give siya. So, yung second night, actually, for me, it was parang sobrang excited yung crowd. At saka talagang makikita mo yung participation nila, at saka yung eagerness nila, at saka yung talagang inaabangan nila yung mga lahat ng numbers ni Ann.
The thought of your body, I came alive. It was legal, it was freedom. In my dreams, it felt so right. And I woke up every I'm stronger than I've ever been. The part when I break free, 'cause I can't resist it no more. This is the part when I say I know I'm stronger than I've ever been. The part when I break free, 'cause I can't resist it no more. Thank you. Patikim pa po yan. Umiinit pa po yung boses ko. Para siyang diesel. Habang tumatagal, lalong gumaganda.
Welcome back to Ambisyosa.
Itulak mo.
As usual, Mark Bautista sang to the best of his ability, especially since na-miss niyang mag-perform on a concert stage.
Sana'y duyan mo ang duyan ko. Muli.
Happy ako na nakarelate sila rin sa mga songs.
Maraming salamat po. Once again, ang magpapasaya sa atin, mga kaibigan, once again, Ms. Ann Curtis.
Thank you.
Anne came out again on stage looking fabulous in her second outfit.
I'm here again to sing for all of you.
Magaling siya mag-entertain. Kahit yung boses niya, the best pa rin. At saka magaling talaga siya mag-entertain. The best.
This is one of my favorite songs to sing, actually. Kasi when I sang it on Showtime for my birthday a few years ago, kinata ko siya ng paos. Kaya, sabi ko, kahit saan man ako sa mundo pumunta, kakantahin ko yung kantang to para mapatunayan ko na kaya ko siyang kantahin. At hindi ako paos ngayon. Tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, my voice is so ready. So I hope that all your ears are ready. Kasi dire-diretso ko na to. Here we go. Music, please. Party girl, don't get hurt, can't feel anything, when will I learn? Push it down, push it down.
Favorite ko yung Chandelier. Kasi sobrang taas nun puro high notes. Talagang parang the show must go on. Hindi siya sumusuko. Mataas yung kantang yun so talagang na-hit niya yung mga high notes. So, ang galing.
Wow.
Our Josa was more energized with all the good vibes coming from her audience at mas lalo pa niyang binigay ang best niya to entertain them.
Like tomorrow doesn't exist, like it doesn't exist. I'm gonna fly like a chandelier.
Perfect! Ang outfit, ang voice, ang performance! Love it!
Gonna swing from a chandelier, from a chandelier. Gonna feel like tomorrow doesn't exist, like it doesn't exist. Sabi sa inyo eh. 'Di ba parang diesel lang? Habang tumatagal, kumaganda.
And we're back here in Ambisyosa.
Si Ann magaling din siya kumanta actually. Yun nga. Pero yun nga, the night was about hearing soothing voices and being entertained and laughing, laughter.
Hindi na ako kasing sintonado nung 2012. Ngayon, parang konti na lang. May konting sablay, paminsan-minsan, pero naaabot.
Anne was so spontaneous on stage at sobrang benta sa crowd ng kanyang mga witty and funny spiels.
Birit. Tapos, ang rumors actually, kaboses ko talaga yung mga original na kumanta. Ang sabi nila, wow, pag pinapakinggan nila, plakado, kuhang-kuha mo. Sabi ko talaga, oo. Sabi ko, sige, kahit saan man ako ulit pumunta sa mundo, kakantahin ko yan. Kaya sa mga, ayan, may Instagram, may Twitter, Facebook, pag nag-post kayo, sabihin nyo, napakaganda ng boses ni Ann Curtis pala. Ikalat natin yan sa buong mundo. Kaya ito po ang nahanda ko para sa inyo. Again, I'm just saying this song isn't too high. Medyo hindi hirap yung boses ko dito. So I hope you guys enjoy this next song.
She's effortlessly adorable and she didn't hesitate to make fun of herself, kaya naman tuwang-tuwa ang mga fans niya.
Wala, mawawasak lamang ang aking mundo. Wow, wow.
Kung ano yung saya ng tao nung first day, it's more yung second day. Kasi syempre nalaman nila na maganda yung show. That night, I was surprised because there's a lot of people. So I mean, like I said, I think the show is very successful. Back to back, and hats off to Miss Anne and Mark.
Nasasaktan ako, oh baby, sa tuwing nakikita ka. Naninibago ako, oh baby, pag may kasama kang iba. Pagkat ikaw ang tanging laman ng aking mundo, ng aking puso, ng aking buhay.
Masaya siya panoorin. Kasi kaboses ko siya.
Halik mo, nami-miss ko. Halik mo, nami-miss ko. Bakit iniwan mo ako? Halik mo, nami-miss ko. Bakit iniwan mo ako? Halik mo, nami-miss ko. Bakit iniwan mo ako? Di ba kaboses ko yung ages? Konti na lang.
Don't forget to catch the last part of Anne's exciting show in California, USA. Join us again next week, only here in Ambisyosa.
I always got I never really cared until I met you.
Baby, 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 when you touch touch me like this, when you hold me like that. It was gone with the wind, but it's all coming back to me.
Tinamaan na ako, walang hiya ka, Cupido. Nasirang schedule ko, putris na kapiliwang ito. Lumalaki ng eyebags ko, di makatulog dahil sa'yo. Nagmumukhang zombie na ako, di mapakali, ano ba to? Sana lang mapapansin mo rin ang kagandahan kong ito. Hirap na kasi ang lola mo, napaliw na ata sa kapapantasya sa'yo. Daig mo pa